Hi, my name is Helen Chong from Halen Group, and I'm so excited to show you our new listing here in the beautiful Evergreen, San Jose, California. And this property is located in this quiet cul-de-sac area, but just a short walking distance away to the Evergreen Village Square. And this home has 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 2,547 square feet on a 4,825 square feet lot. So come on in, let me show you the house. So as you walk in here, you're greeted by this high ceiling and also large windows that draw in tons of natural lighting. And on this end is the family room and a very spacious kitchen with tons of cabinetry. And best of all, you do have a 1 full bedroom and bathroom downstairs. And as you walk upstairs, you'll find 3 large bedrooms and a huge master bedroom, all of which are filled with great natural lightings and also ample closet space. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour. Since this is just a short walk away to the village, I decided to go grab a cup of coffee. Well, again, my name is Helen Chong from Halen Group, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!